you know that the Pink Panther can nap in 3 different languages? Yep, that's right. Animals have some pretty interesting ways of catching their Z's, and the Pink Panther is no exception. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a playful adventure featuring our favorite pink feline, the Pink Panther, and his colorful pal, Fafa. Get ready for a surprise filled with rainbows and a whole lot of fun. So here's the challenge. The Pink Panther is happily snoozing away, completely oblivious to the world around him. But guess what? Fafa has come up with a brilliant idea to wake him up. Picture this, all these vibrant distractions, like swirling rainbows and colorful sparkles, are everywhere. But can Fafa actually get the Pink Panther to wake up? It's going to be a hilarious struggle. Fafa tries everything from jumping around to making funny sounds, but the Pink Panther just keeps on snoozing. It's like he's in a deep dreamland, completely unfazed by the chaos. What's a friend to do when their buddy is in such a sleepy state? Now, let's explore the Pink Panther's napping habits. Did you know that in different cultures, napping is seen in different lights? In Spain, they have the famous siesta, where everyone takes a break in the afternoon to recharge. Meanwhile, in Japan, they have a practice called inamuri, where people can actually nap at their desks. The Pink Panther, being the world traveler he is, has picked up these cool napping styles. So while he's dozing off, he might be dreaming in Spanish or dreaming in Japanese. Isn't that fascinating? It's like he's on an international journey even while he's asleep. And then comes the moment of truth. Fafa decides to go all out with a spectacular surprise. He paints the sky with vibrant rainbows, and suddenly, the whole atmosphere changes. The colors illuminate the Pink Panther's cozy nook, and for the first time, he stirs in his sleep. What will happen next? Will he wake up in awe? Or will he just roll over and continue his nap? The anticipation builds as Fafa watches eagerly, and then, bam! The Pink Panther wakes up, startled but then amazed by the beautiful sight. His eyes widen, and a huge grin spreads across his face. He's not just awake, he's ready to join in on the rainbow fun. So there you have it, folks. This delightful interaction between the Pink Panther and Fafa showcases how creativity and fun can bring friends together, even if one of them is a bit sleepy. Plus, we learned a little about the cultural diversity of napping along the way. It's a reminder that no matter where you are in the world, there's always a unique way to relax and enjoy life. What did you think of today's adventure? What was your favorite part? And hey, if you have any ideas for our next escapade, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.